Welcome back. It's clubhouse upgrade time. Welcome back to Dragonfly Ridge. Today we're building a clean, simple rack to store firewood in the veranda. The wood storage has been a bit of a mess, and that ends today. I've looked at a bunch of designs online and decided to do something unique and simple that really fits the space. I want a separate section so I can sort different cuts of wood, from small branches to full logs. So I went with a large X design. Let me show you how I did it. But first, if you enjoy projects like this, please subscribe, like, and share. And if you'd like to experience Dragonfly Ridge for yourself, you can book a stay at DragonflyRidge.ca. All right, let's build this thing. First, I cut the 2x12 pressure-treated planks to size. I used my good friend Mr. Pythagoras to figure out the exact length of the long cross piece. The trickiest part was arrow tipping both ends of the cross pieces, cutting a 45-degree angle, flipping the board, and then cutting another 45 on the other side. I did all this right out of the back of the Volvo so I could work at a comfortable height. Once everything was cut, it was time to prep the space and start assembling. I put together the 4 outer sides, and the main middle cross brace slid right in perfectly. Like Murdoch from the A-Team says, "I love it when a plan comes together." With that in place, I measured and cut the remaining 2 pieces to complete the X. Again, arrow tipping the corners with double 45s so they slid neatly into the corners. I also added 3 legs to lift the rack about 1.5 inches off the ground for airflow. Then I secured the unit to the back wall in a couple of spots so it's never going to move. Last step was the most satisfying, loading it up. It looks amazing filled with wood, and it completely hides a not so great looking brown cladding behind it. X pattern really brings the space together, especially because it's mirrored in the bottom of the veranda screen door. And that's it. Quick, relatively easy wood storage system that looks great and is super functional. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out the other videos on the channel to see more projects and upgrades here at Dragonfly Ridge. Visit DragonflyRidge.ca to book your guys' weekend. We'd be happy to have you. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you soon.